more energy and oxygen, so they receive more blood than when they are resting.
When muscles contract, why water or releases. Example, when the biceps contracts, the triceps releases of the presence of the muscular system.
The muscles of the body is musculofacial expression, sternum-mastoid, trapezius, deltoideus,
Four different zones: sweet, sour, salty, and bitter.
The sense of touch. The sense of touch is located in our skin. The top part of the skin is called epidermis. The inner part of the skin is called dermis. Touch detectors are located in our epidermis. They send information to the brain. The brain can interpret different kinds of the sensations. They include temperature, texture, shapes, and size.
And we present the skeleton. Skull, maxilla, mandible, vertebrate, clavicle, vertebrate, elbow, radius, ulna, breast, femur, knee, tibia, fibula, metatarsal, phalanges, patella, pelvis, sacrum, carpal, and phalanges.
And limbs and strength. The place when three bones are joined, they're called joints. Joints are fixed and they can move. Like our skull that protects our brain, and our ligaments connect the bones with each other, and the tendons joins with the bones to our muscle.
In the trunk or skeleton, provides a cage to protect the delicate organs. Example, the rib cage helps to protect the lungs and heart.
Ya.
Ya. And they presented the nervous system, the central nervous system, and the spinal cord. The cells in your brain are called neurons. Neurons have different parts. Axons carry information, and dendrites receive information. This information travels through a structure called synapse. All sensory organs receive information. This information transmitted around the nerve. They run around the body to the nerve and to the brain.